To check your transaction history on WhatsApp, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the app and find the information you need. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner for Android or the bottom right corner for iPhone to access the menu. Select Settings from the drop-down options. Step 3. Select Payments. In the Settings menu, look for the Payments option. Tap on it to access your payment settings and transaction history. Step 4. View transaction history. Once in the Payments section, you will see an option for transaction history. Tap on it to view all your past transactions made through WhatsApp. Step 5. Review details. In the transaction history, you can see details of each transaction, including dates, amounts, and recipients. You can tap on individual transactions for more information if needed. Now you can easily check your transaction history on WhatsApp. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the app or consult the help section for more assistance.